You may wonder, why does data collection and storage hold such a pivotal role in our digital world today? Well, let's delve into this a bit. Picture a world where businesses can predict the next big consumer trend, where doctors can diagnose diseases before symptoms appear, where educators can tailor learning to individual students' needs, and where governments can effectively manage resources for the welfare of their people. This isn't a realm of science fiction. It's the reality of today's digital age, and it's all powered by data. From business to healthcare, education and government, data has become an indispensable tool. Businesses use data to understand their customers, identify market trends and make strategic decisions. In healthcare, data helps in predicting disease outbreaks, researching treatment methods and improving patient care. In the realm of education, data assists in understanding students' learning patterns and tailoring education methods to their needs. And in government, data aids in resource allocation, policy making and public service delivery. But it doesn't stop there. The role of data extends to fueling advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies rely on vast amounts of data to learn, evolve and make increasingly sophisticated decisions. Whether it's a voice assistant learning to understand accents or a self-driving car predicting road conditions, data is at the heart of these innovations. However, to harness the power of data, we need effective methods for data collection and storage. We need to gather accurate, relevant data and store it in a way that is secure, accessible and manageable. This is where the importance of data collection techniques and storage technologies comes into play. They provide the foundation for us to leverage data for insights, predictions and strategic planning. As we can see, data is the lifeblood of the digital age, driving decisions, innovations and advancements in various fields. This is why data collection and storage are so critical in our modern world. Without them, we wouldn't be able to tap into the immense potential that data holds for our lives, our societies, and our future. There are numerous methods to collect data, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Diving into the vast ocean of data collection, we encounter a multitude of techniques. One of the most common methods is the survey. Surveys, whether they are online, over the phone or in person, can reach a large number of people in a relatively short amount of time. They can be standardized to ensure consistency, and they're great for gathering quantitative data. However, the quality of the data hinges on the design of the survey and the honesty of the respondents. Next, we have interviews. Interviews provide a platform for detailed, qualitative exploration of a subject. They can be structured with set questions or unstructured, allowing for a more fluid conversation. The depth of insight they provide can be invaluable, but they can be time-consuming and, with the need for skilled interviewers, potentially costly. Observations, on the other hand, provide a window into behaviors and interactions in a natural setting, untouched by the observer's influence. They can reveal unexpected insights, but they can also be subjective and difficult to standardize. Lastly, experiments are a way to collect data under controlled conditions. They allow researchers to identify cause and effect relationships, but their controlled nature can also limit their applicability to real-world situations. Each of these methods serves a unique purpose and comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. The method, or combination of methods you choose, will largely depend on the nature of your research or project. Are you looking to quantify a behavior or trend? A survey might be your best bet. Do you need to understand the why and how behind a phenomenon? Interviews or observations might serve you better. Remember, the goal is not just to gather data, but to gather the right data. Data that is accurate and relevant to your research question or project objectives. The method of data collection you choose can greatly influence the quality of your data. Choosing the right data collection method is crucial in ensuring the accuracy and relevance of the data gathered. Beyond methods, there are also various techniques for data collection, each offering unique insights. Let's start with qualitative and quantitative data collection. Qualitative data collection techniques focus on understanding the why and how of decision-making, not just the what, where, or when. They are exploratory in nature and help in understanding opinions, motivations, and underlying reasons. Techniques like one-on-one interviews, focus groups, or ethnographic participation fall under this category. On the other hand, quantitative data collection techniques aim to quantify data and typically apply some form of statistical analysis. Surveys, structured interviews, or observations are some examples of this technique. They provide numerical data that can be turned into statistics, offering a more structured and less subjective view. Now, let's move to primary and secondary data collection. Primary data collection involves gathering new data that has not been collected before. It's like conducting your own research. This could be through surveys, interviews, or experiments, and it's usually more time-consuming and costly. However, it offers the most accurate and reliable information tailor-made to your specific research needs. Secondary data collection, as the name suggests, involves collecting data that's already been produced. It could be government reports, newspapers, online articles, or any other existing sources of information. It's less time-consuming and cost-effective, but may not perfectly fit your research objectives. So, when should you use each technique? Well, it depends on your research objectives and resources. If you're after detailed insights and have time and resources, primary and qualitative data collection might be the way to go. If you're after speed and cost-effectiveness, secondary and quantitative data collection might be more suitable. Remember, these techniques are not exclusive. They can be combined in numerous ways depending on your research needs. For instance, you can use both primary and secondary data collection for a comprehensive understanding of the topic. The right data collection technique can greatly enhance the quality and depth of your data. Once data is collected, it needs to be stored securely and efficiently. The world of data storage is vast and varied, offering a plethora of options, each with their unique features and benefits. First off, let's talk about cloud storage. This option involves storing data on remote servers that can be accessed from anywhere via the internet. It's like having a high-capacity, invisible hard drive in the sky. Cloud storage is scalable, meaning it can easily grow with your data needs. It's an excellent choice for businesses that have fluctuating data volumes or those that operate in multiple locations. On the other hand, databases are structured sets of data. They excel at storing, retrieving, and managing data efficiently. Databases are ideal when working with structured data and when there's a need for fast, complex queries. Think of a database as a highly organized filing cabinet where every piece of information has its exact place. Next up are data warehouses. These are large repositories that store data from different sources in a unified manner. They're designed for query and analysis rather than simple transactions. Data warehouses are most often used for business intelligence activities like data mining and reporting. They're like massive, well-organized libraries of data. Then we have data lakes. These are vast pools of raw data stored in their native format until needed. Unlike a data warehouse, a data lake can store unstructured and semi-structured data, making it perfect for big data and real-time analytics. Imagine a data lake as a huge container where you can dump any type of data, no matter how big or small, structured or unstructured. The choice of storage depends on the volume, variety, and velocity of your data. High volume of data? A data lake might be your best bet. Need to work with a variety of data types? Cloud storage could be the solution. Looking for rapid data retrieval and updates? A database could be your go-to. Selecting the right storage option can optimize data accessibility and usability. Remember, the goal is to make the most of your data, and that starts with how you store it. Data collection and storage are just the beginning. The real challenge lies in managing and securing this data. Let's delve into the principles of data management, a crucial process that ensures data is accurate, accessible, and reliable. First off, we have data quality, the backbone of effective data management. It's about ensuring that the data we collect and store is accurate, consistent, and relevant. Without high-quality data, our analyses, decisions, and strategies could be misguided. Then we have data governance, which is all about control. It's setting the rules and policies for data access, usage, and disposal, ensuring that everyone is on the same page about data handling. It also involves establishing clear responsibilities and accountability for data accuracy and privacy. Data lifecycle management is another key principle. It involves the supervision of data through its lifecycle, from creation and initial storage to the time when it's obsolete and gets deleted. This process helps in maintaining the quality and integrity of data over time. However, managing data is just part of the equation. Securing the data is equally, if not more, vital. Today, data breaches and cyber attacks are not uncommon, and the consequences can be devastating. Data security is all about protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access and breaches. Encryption is one of the most effective ways to achieve this. It involves converting the data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. Then we have access controls, which is all about defining who has the right to access which data. It's about ensuring that only authorized individuals can access certain data. Backups, too, are an integral part of data security. They involve creating a copy of data that can be recovered in case of a system failure or a data loss incident. Remember, data is like a double-edged sword. It can provide valuable insights and drive decision-making, but if not managed and secured properly, it can lead to serious consequences. With robust data management and security, data can be a powerful asset in the digital age. To wrap up, we can see how data collection, storage, and management are critical in today's digital age. We've delved into various methods and techniques for data collection, each with their unique advantages, and it's clear that the right choice depends on your specific needs and goals. We've also explored an array of data storage options. From cloud-based solutions to physical servers, the choice again boils down to what fits your requirements best, considering factors like cost, accessibility, and capacity. But remember, storing data is not the end of the journey. Robust data management is paramount, and that includes stringent data security measures. In a world where data breaches are all too common, protecting your data is not just an option, it's a necessity. Remember, data is only as valuable as the insights it can provide, so collect wisely, store securely, and manage effectively.